Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the Ask to Connect firewall mode in GlassWire. The Ask to Connect mode is a powerful firewall feature that notifies you whenever an app tries to access the internet, allowing you to allow or block it manually. First, what you can do is you need to open to your GlassWire on a Windows PC, and from the top navigation bar you need to click onto this GlassWire Protect. Here you can also go to this firewall mode, select to this click to block and select to this icon over here on the top, and over here you can also select to this Ask to Connect, and once enabled, GlassWire will automatically show a pop-up notification every time a new or unrecognized application attempts to connect to the internet, and you will be given two options: allow to permit the app's internet connection, block to prevent it from connecting. And after enabling Ask to Connect over here, GlassWire will actively monitor outgoing connection and give you the full control over which application can access the internet, and that's how you enable the Ask to Connect firewall mode in GlassWire. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries, confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.